Hello everyone. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. I'm actually on my route, on the PM part of my route. I didn't come in this morning because, again, I forgot the camera. No, I didn't. I'm lying now. I did not forget the camera. I just didn't sync it to this. So it's synced now, and now I can kind of get started. What did I do today? I really didn't do much. My head has been hurting for 2 days. Oh my gosh. I actually got this hood on. I got this hair on, y'all. You probably can't even see it because I got on so much black. This is that yummy hair, my favorite hair. But yeah, I'm waiting on my packages to come from the Sephora VIB sale. I bought some stuff from that. I guess I'll show y'all that, post some clips of that. But yeah, I thought I heard somebody. But yeah, I'm not really doing nothing. Trying to get this Friday down. So far, how am I liking this iPhone? It's nice. Let me show y'all this picture real quick. I'm gonna show y'all a picture. Look at this picture. Oh, wait. Look at that picture. Y'all see that? Y'all see the little young Kim right there? Oh, it went on. Little young Kim right there. Hopefully y'all can see it. Look at that. That's me and my siblings. That's super funny. Super funny. But yeah, I had to post that picture. That is actually really cute. I had to be about 9 or 10 maybe on that. Was it 9 or 10? Maybe 8. I probably was 8. Yeah, I think I probably was about 8. Between 7 and 10. Somewhere up in that age. But yeah, y'all, I ain't doing nothing. I'm happy today, Friday, of course, like everybody else. Like I said, happy Friday. Let me go up here and make sure these kids aren't coming. Oh, no, they're not. It's too much sun up there. But like I said, I'm not talking about nothing. I ain't doing nothing. I'm just going to add this probably to the other little clip. But today is Friday. Happy Friday. Let's get it in. You know what? What I might do over the weekend is I might go thrifting. I think I'm really going to get into that. I've been finding some nice stuff at the thrift store. So I'm going to start flipping. And I'm going to just take y'all with me. With my little flipping journey. My flipping journey. Not flipping like flipping the bird. Flipping meaning like buying and selling. Trying to make a profit off of things that people looking for. You know, so yeah. I might do that over the weekend. Like I said, Sephora VIB said I finally hit Rouge. Woo-woo. Or yay. And I guess it's not something to be excited for because that means you're spending way too much money at Sephora. But yeah, I hit Rouge this year. Yeah. So, and I just basically bought some skincare. Of course, you know, I always buy skincare. What else did I buy? Skincare. Some lotion because y'all know my hands stay dry. So I bought that Locatin. I'll show y'all in the clip, or I'll put it somewhere on the screen so y'all can pronounce it because I can't pronounce it. But I bought some of that, and I actually bought the Avid calendar. I love Avid calendars. I love them. And I'm not sure if I'm just going to open up the calendar. I'm not sure if I'm going to open up the calendar every day or just open it and show y'all what's in it, or I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I bought that. I bought some more Origins skincare because I want to try a couple of more of their products before I actually buy like a full size bottle of some of their products. So I decided to get another starter kit. What else did I buy? I started to buy some Joe Malone, but I changed. Is these kids coming? Oh, these kids coming. So I gotta see y'all later, because my job, duty calls. So I'll come back in a little bit. I'm at home. Let me turn this my way first. I'm at home. I just got home from work. And now I'm gonna open these packages. As you see, I don't even know why they sent these big, huge boxes. Not even sure. It's only like 2 things in each box, which is crazy stuff. Why send these big old boxes? But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this stuff. Like I told y'all earlier, Sephora had their VIB sale. They had their VIB sale, and that's just some stuff that I got. I think it's only like 4 items. So let's do a box open. What's in the box? And this most definitely was bought with my own money. My own money. Let's remove this box. What's in the box? What's in the box? We got that, which is a sample, 1 million sample. This is actually a men's cologne. I'm gonna give it to Dana. That's why I got it. This is my first order. Like I told y'all, I ordered this little kit. This little Origin kit, because it has a lot of stuff that I want to try. You know, I already tried the Checks and Balance. I already tried this moisturizer, which I do love those. And I tried this moisturizer. This is for the day and this is for night. I haven't tried the serum. I think this is a mask. And I think this is a mask. So, I'm excited to try this new Origin stuff. And the VIB, I got 15% off all of this stuff. 15% off. Good deal. And then Rihanna came out with some new Fenty lip glosses. I wanted to try that. Hopefully it's coming through. Which this is what it looks like. Okay, packaging. Let's open this up. I don't even know if these are some new ones. Let me look at the back. Oh yeah, they are new. I think this is the only one that's not new, which is this one. All of the other ones is actually new. And I'm a huge fan of Rihanna lip glosses. I don't know if I'm going to use that one, though. I might get that one to Damani, because I'm not really a fan of white lip gloss, especially with all these shimmers in it. But, yeah, that's what those look like. Nice, nice, nice. And the last thing in this box is Hermes perfume. And it's just a mixture of these 4. These are deluxe size perfumes. They're not the big ones, the regular size, but you get 4 of them. And I really wanted to try them. I already tried these 2, and I really like them. So I just wanted to smell those. So this is the best way to try out perfumes. You know, why buy a big bottle when you could buy the deluxe size? And yeah. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh man, they played me on my second sample. I didn't order this. Excuse my hands. My hands ashy. I never order stuff like this. Only samples I get is perfume samples. Yes, yes, Hermes. And see what I'm saying? These are just little small, like deluxe size fragrances. I've tried these two. Haven't tried those two yet. So that's the reason why I got them. So that was the first order. Now this box only got 2 things in it. I don't know why they sent these big old boxes. Like I just ordered a whole lot of stuff. So this order, I reached Rouge. So I got 20% off. Well, I get why they sent this big old box. And I got this. And for the life of me, I cannot pronounce that. I heard this brand is really, really good. And y'all know, look at my hands. My hands already ashy. So that's the reason why I wanted to get this. Because I really want to try this L'Occitane brand out. And like I told y'all earlier today, I love Advent boxes. Love an Advent box. Calendar box, if y'all don't know what that is. Love, love, love. And that's what this is. Let's open it. Smells good. Yay! Look at that. Oh my God. It smells so good. And you just open it according to the days. Where is day 1? 6, 12. Oh, here's day 1 right here. And we will just open day 1. And then after that, you find day 2. I don't know what day 2 is. Day 2 is right here. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. And this is everything that's in it. This also gives me an opportunity to try. Ooh. It gives me an opportunity to try the products, you know, instead of, because this is an expensive brand. This L'Occitane, I guess that's how you pronounce it. I don't know, French. But you try these products because, like I said, they're pretty expensive products. So yeah. So that's my whole VIB. Oh, that's everything that I got. Oh, the samples that I got with this one is the Jo Malone, and then this is Chloe. So like I said, I always just get perfume. I never ever ever get this crap. So that's it. That's what it is, y'all. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow.